Hello guys, welcome to Social Lessons. Please, after watching this video um, on these laws of indices, please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, and also share these videos with your colleagues. So as you see guys, we are given these three questions. We are given the first part, which is question number 1A. Then we are given also question 1B, then also question 1C, and we ask you to evaluate all these three questions. So before you start watching this video, just subscribe so that you enjoy more videos on this Shadows channel, right? Let's work on the first part. We want to work on question 1A first, the first part. Then after working on first part, then you move on second part, which is question 1B. Then lastly move on the question 1C, right? So let's move on to the solution, guys. Right, we are saying what we are saying is, remember we are given 27 to the power of 2 over 3, right? Is subtracting 1 over 8 or to the power of 1 over 3. So we want to apply the laws of indices in order to evaluate all these three concepts, right? Which means for us to subtract the 27 to the power of 2 over 3, subtract 1 over 8, or to the power of 1 over 3. First of all, we have to simplify this one. We have to simplify 27 to the power of 2 over 3 and also simplify 1 over 8 to the power of 1 over 3. So let's simplify the first part. So we are saying 27 to the power of 2 over 3 subtracting 1 over 8 or to the power of 1 over 3. So first of all, we want to simplify 27 to the power of 2 over 3 and find the answer from this condition. So applying the laws of indices, we are saying 27 to the power of 2 over 3. We have to introduce the square root. The value given 27. We want to apply the laws of indices, which is x to the power of x to the power of 1 over 2. So we are saying this becomes the square root of x. Then 2 becomes on this coefficient of this root, then 4 to the power 1. So we want to apply this law to this condition. So 27 inside here. Then the denominator of the power, becomes here. Then O to the power 2. O to the power 2. Remember, 2 on the power remain the power. Subtracting, applying the same law. So we are saying the root of 1 over 8. Then the denominator, we have to put the denominator here. Then the power remain the power. The power remain the power. So we are saying we want to find the cube root of 27. The cube root of 27. We want to find a number which can be multiplied thrice to get 27. Want to find a single number, and if we multiply that number itself thrice, it gives us 27. Thrice just means 3 times. If you multiply that one value in 3 times, that same value, multiply it itself 3 times, it will give us 27. So if we say 3 times 3 times 3, it will give us 27. So which means that value becomes 3. Meaning that the value becomes 3. So we are saying 3 to the power 2. Subtracting, then we want to find the value which can be multiplied itself thrice to get 1, which is 1 times 1 times 1. Meaning that that value is 1 over. Then we want to find a value which can be multiplied itself thrice or 3 times to get 8, which is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, which means 2 can be multiplied thrice to get 8, meaning that 2 is the value. O to the power 1. Let's simplify this one. So we are saying 3 squared, which is 9. 9 is subtracting, remember, any number or any letter raised to the power 1 is that number or that letter. Meaning that if you say 1 over 2 to the power 1, applying the laws of indices, you are saying a number or any letter raised to the power 1 is that number or that letter. So we are saying half to the power 1, the answer is half. So we are saying half. We are saying half. So we are saying 9 is subtracting half. 9 minus half, which is 8 and a half. Or we might say 8, 5. So this is how to simplify the first part, applying all the laws of indices. Please guys, after watching, please don't forget to subscribe so that you enjoy more videos on this channel. Let's move on part B. On part B, we are given, I hope this one is clear. Moving on part B, we are saying, yes, question B. We are saying 81 to the power of 3 over 4. Remember, we are still working on laws of indices. We are still working on laws of indices, and we want to apply laws of indices in order to evaluate this situation given on part B. But remember, this situation given on part B is same as situation we have faced on question 1A. As you see, 20 and above 2 over 3. The same situation with this one given on part B. So what we have to do is we have to apply that law we have used in part A. So we are saying, applying the law, we are saying we are applying this law, x to the power 1 over 2, meaning that root of x 2 here, then 1 here. We want to apply this law. So we are saying 81 inside, then the denominator of the power becomes, we have to put it here, then all to the power of, then the numerator of the power remain the power. So we have to say to the power 3, but the denominator of the power, we have to put it here. Sorry, here is 4, the denominator of the power. So now we want to find one value. And if you multiply that value, if you multiply that value in 4 times, for example, we might say 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, and see if that value will give us 81. So which value we have to use? So we might say 2 by 2, 4 by 2, 8 by 2, 16. So meaning that 2 is not the number. You can try 3. 3 times 3, 9 times 3. Plus 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. 27 by 3, 81. Meaning that the value is 3. So we are saying 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3, we are saying 3 times 3 times 3. Then the solution becomes 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. So the solution becomes 27 after simplifying and evaluate this one. Please guys, after watching, don't hesitate to subscribe so that you enjoy more tutorials on our channel. Let's move on. Last part, question 1C. This one is so far so good. It's now clear. Let's move on. Question 1C. Moving on. Question 1C. Applying those laws of indices. we're saying C. So we are saying 2m to the power 3 multiplied by 3m to the power minus 3. So we want to work on this one. So who has to work on this given conditional situation? We are saying 2 to the power of m, 2m to the power of 3 multiplied by 3m to the power of negative 3. Applying the laws of indices. So we are saying, first of all, we have to multiply the numbers. Remember, we have multiplication sign here. So we are saying 2 times 3. So we are saying we have to multiply number to number. So we are saying 2 times 3, right? 2 times 3. But remember, 2 times 3 is multiplying m to the power 3 times m to the power negative 3. So remember, 2 times 3, the solution becomes 6. But 6 is multiplying m to the power 3 times m to the power minus 3. So 6 times m to the power, we have to apply laws of indices here. So we are saying, remember we have m to the power 3 times m to the power minus 3. We are multiplying the letters, or we are multiplying the letters of the same denominator. So we have to apply the concept where if the denominator are equal, if you have the same denominator, when you are multiplying but you are given the same denominator, if you are multiplying, remember we have to add the powers. We have to add the powers given. Remember the denominators are equal. We have m to the power 3, we have m here, and also we have m here, but you are multiplying. So if you are multiplying, we have to add the powers. Maintain the same base. We have to maintain the same base like what you did here. Then we add the powers if you are multiplying. But if you are dividing, you have to subtract the powers. But we are multiplying, we have to maintain 3. But remember we are multiplying, then we have to add the powers. It becomes 6m, then 3 plus becomes 3, positive and negative, applying the concept of directed numbers. So we are saying if a positive mixed with a negative, it becomes a negative. So we are saying 6m, 3 minus 3, 3 is subtracting 3 to give us 0. But we are not yet done. Why? We have the law which said that a number or any letter to the power 0, a number or any letter to the power 0, that value of that letter becomes 1. A number or any letter to the power 0, the solution becomes 1. So we are saying 6 multiplied by m to the power 0. Remember, 0 is not affecting everything. 0 is only affecting m. Why I'm saying that? I'm saying that because if you say m, 6m to the power 0, this one becomes 1. Why? Just because 0 is affecting everything inside. But now we are given 0 is only affecting letter m. So we are saying this becomes 1. So 6 times 1 becomes 6. So this is how to apply the laws of indices in order to evaluate, simplify all this given situation. As I said, guys, after watching these simple tactics on applying the laws of indices, please don't forget to subscribe so that you enjoy more videos on this channel. Thank you so much. Enjoy these videos, and also don't forget to like, comment, and also share. Thank you so much.